everyone. So in this particular video, we will be talking about few of the Linux interview questions which comes in the DevOps interview. So if you have to list down the files, like the first question comes as how to list down the files which are present on your server. ls-lrth you can use to list down the files, or you can use the L command to list down the file. How will you be changing the directory on your server? Like you have to move from a directory to B, so you can use the cd command that will change your directory. How can you change the permission of a file? You can use the chmod command to change the permission of a file. How can you change the ownership of a file? Like the different user had the ownership and you have to give the ownership to different users. You can use the chown command to change the ownership of a file. How can you remove any file which is present on your server? You can use the rm-rf command to remove the any file. If you have to remove any files which is in the, like the multiple files, so you can use the recursive deletion. You can use the rm-ref command to delete all the files. Then how can you see the present directory on which you are working? You can use the print like pwd that will print your current working directory. Now if you have to create any directory on your server, you can use the mkdir command that will create a new directory on your server. If you have to rename any file or move any file from one place to another place, you can use the mb command that will move for your file from one place to another place. Now if you have to copy file content of one file into another file, you can use the cp command that will copy the contents from one to another. If you have to check the content of any file, like you have to display the content of a file, you can use the cat command that will display the complete content of the file. If you have to edit any file and you have to write down something into that, you can use the vi that will open up a new notepad kind of thing, that a new prompt, and you can edit into that. If you have to save any file, you can just edit and you can use the wq exclamation mark that command, and it will save your file. So that's it. That's all in this particular video. We will be talking about few more Linux interview questions in the upcoming video. Thank you.